New York Stock Exchange, NYSE, represent two of the most significant pillars of global finance. While the NYSE serves as the primary engine for the world's largest economy, the BSE stands as a symbol of the rapid growth and modernization of the Indian economy. 1. New York Stock Exchange, NYSE, founded in 1792 under the Buttonwood Agreement, the NYSE is the world's largest stock exchange by market capitalization. Located at 11 Wall Street in Lower Manhattan, it is the home of iconic blue-chip companies like Coca-Cola, Walmart, and J.P. Morgan Chase. Key characteristics: the auction model. Unlike purely electronic exchanges, the NYSE uses a hybrid model involving designated market makers, DMMs, who facilitate trading and maintain a fair and orderly market on the physical floor. Listing requirements. The NYSE is known for having very strict listing standards regarding earnings, assets, and share distribution, making it the preferred destination for mature, established corporations. Global benchmark. The performance of the NYSE is most commonly tracked by the Dow Jones Industrial Average, DJIA, and the S&P 500. 2. Bombay Stock Exchange, BSE, established in 1875 as the Native Share and Stockbrokers Association, the BSE is Asia's oldest stock exchange. It played a pivotal role in developing India's capital markets and is located on Dalal Street in Mumbai. Key characteristics. Speed. The BSE is one of the fastest exchanges in the world, with a median trade execution speed of 6 microseconds. Large universe of stocks. The BSE has the largest number of listed companies in the world, over 5,000, offering a wide variety of small-cap and mid-cap opportunities. Market indicator. Its primary index is the S&P BSE SENSEX, sensitive index, which tracks the performance of 30 well-established and financially sound companies across various sectors. 3. Comparison at a glance. Feature. New York Stock Exchange, NYSE, Bombay Stock Exchange, BSE, established 1792. 1875. Location. New York City, USA. Mumbai, India. Primary index. Dow Jones, S&P 500. SENSEX. Market cap 25-30 trillion 4 to 5 trillion. Trading style. Hybrid, flow plus electronic, fully electronic, BOLT. 4. Economic interpretation. From a financial economics perspective, these exchanges serve as the central nervous system of their respective economies. Capital formation. They allow companies to raise huge amounts of capital for expansion by issuing shares to the public, IPOs. Price discovery. Through the continuous interaction of buyers and sellers, these exchanges determine the fair value of companies in real time. Liquidity. They provide a secondary market where investors can instantly convert their shares back into cash, which is a crucial component of the MIU and search theory models we discussed earlier. The pulse of the economy. When the SENSEX or the S&P 500 rises, it typically reflects investor confidence in future earnings and economic growth. Conversely, a sharp drop often signals a flight to safety, moving money from stocks to bonds or cash. Would you like to explore how the listing process, IPO, works for a company looking to join either of these exchanges?